Here's my Oneida dust deputy, or super dust deputy rather. Just cutting out a plate here to put it on top of a, I think it's a 44-gallon can. It's a Rubbermaid Brute, I guess it doesn't actually say how big it is. I think it's 44 gallon. But anyway, yeah, here's the view down there. I already cut the hole out, but I'm just going to screw it on there, or rather bolt it on there. And I've got some insulation over here. It's sill insulation that goes between concrete blocks and a sill, and I'm hoping we'll seal that alright. And I'm just gonna put this bad boy together here and have that as my dust collector. Alright, YouTube, here's the Franken Collector. It's an Oneida dust deputy, or super dust deputy, mounted on top of a piece of MDF that I just put temporarily on top of this trash can here. And I don't really need the seal. It, you know, I thought I'd need some insulation. Where did I put it? Oh, up here. But I didn't really need it. It just sits on top of there, does what it's supposed to, doesn't leak, so I'm pretty impressed with that. I just planed a bunch of wood, and the bag, it's empty. So I think what I can do is I'm just going to, once I get sort of a little more situated here, as you can see it's kind of a mess, I'm just going to move this to where it blows straight out and eliminates the static pressure from the bag. And I think that'll improve my suction, because it doesn't quite clear out all the planer chips from the planer, but I think with this setup it will once I take the bag off. But anyway, yeah, that's what I'm up to. This is the Franken Collector here. It's working good so far. Let me slide it over here and you can actually see. There's the, whoops, it just kind of fell apart. Everything was just kind of jammed in it, but there are the chips, and it all seems to work okay. So I think I'm just gonna build a little cart that I can put it on, mount my dust collector on it, and get it all put together here.